Hey guys, it's Lex and I'm here with my beautiful model.
Hello, I'm Erin. I go to Coral Shores High School and I'm a junior.
I've known Erin since she was 12 years old. I've been doing her makeup for dance, for homecoming, for prom, this past year prom. And today we thought it'd be cool just to kind of run through a back to school makeup routine, something that's really quick, really easy that Erin can achieve even if she sleeps in. Because yes. I know, just like me when I was in high school, I always slept to the last minute. So if you'd like to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. First, we're going in with our Amazonian Clay Foundation in the shade Light Medium Sand. That's the shade that Erin wears. And then we're gonna be buffing it out with our buffer brush. To give Erin a little bit of brightening underneath her eye area, we're going in with our Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Sand. And a little bit of this goes a long way, so we're literally just gonna do like a dot under each eye and then blend it out. Erin's a really awesome model because I've been doing her makeup since she was 12, so she's really used to me doing her makeup. She just got her driver's license in July, so she's 16. I want to cry, she's growing up so fast. To set Erin's foundation, we're going with our Shape Tape setting powder in the shade Translucent. And I'm just gonna buff this all over her face. Bronzer, I'm going in with our new blush book, and I'm gonna be going in with the shade Homecoming, which is the bronzer that comes in the palette. I'm just taking a little bit and brushing it on her cheekbones, her forehead, and also on her jawline. Which is your favorite in here?
I like them all.
For Erin's blush, we're going in with the shade Spirit Fingers, and we're gonna brush this. We're gonna brush this on the apples of her cheeks, and also we're gonna use it in the crease on her eyes. Brushing this in the crease and on the outer V of Erin's eyes. It's just something really quick and easy, and it really brightens up the eyes too. For mascara, I'm going in with our Lights Camera Lashes mascara.
My favorite.
AKA Erin's favorite. Erin already has amazing eyebrows, but we're just gonna tame them a little bit with our Busy Gal brow in the shade Taupe. Then last but not least, for lips, we're going in with our Quench Lip Rescue in the shade Nude. She looks gorgeous. Look at how beautiful. All right guys, so this is the final look on Erin. How do you feel?
I really like it. I can definitely do it quickly in the morning when I sleep in.
Good, that's good.
Yeah.
I know you're sleeping in. I would be sleeping in. I sleep in regularly anyway. So if you guys liked this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and we'll see you next time. Bye.